Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you a new extension of Opera. So this extension allows you to use Instagram on your desktop, and it looks like you use it on mobile phone. So you just need to go here to this extension, and here you can also write in Google Instagram extension Opera and you will find it. So here you will find Add to Opera. So just click Add to Opera. Here you can see that it's installing now. So you just need to wait some time after it will install it to your computer, and you will successfully using it. So it's very cool because here you can see to use this extension, click on this icon. So just click on this icon and we will try to use it. So follow this mini tutorial to get started. Click next, click next, next. So here you can see all the options, all the buttons and what it means, what every button will do functionally. Automatically change window height. So you can also change window for your usable, for your comfortable. You can use it what you like, what for you is more easier to view, how you like to view, and just log out. Here you can see all the functions you can do. So you can also do auto start. It means also you can enter into Facebook Messenger. So you can see this all functions. So it's really very cool because you can use all the functions you use actually on your mobile phone. You can use it here because that if you trying to log in into a real desktop on laptop and you just can scroll feeds of your friends and just liking them and commenting, but you can't do many of functions you can do on your mobile phone. That's why it's more comfortable, and also you can add some photos, videos, posting Insta stories, and wherever you want you do on mobile phone you can do with this extension. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.